We're now going to look at the segment sewing tool. So for the segment sewing tool, if we press B and delete those sections, we can use the segment sewing tool to sew segments together. Pretty straightforward. Now, when you are using this, the shortcut is N. Make sure that this little notch at the top here aligns with the other side. So we started the sewing from the bottom to the top. So on the other side, we must make sure the sewing starts from the bottom and ends on the top. So this is just an indicator. This notch is an indicator on the direction that the sewing is going to start from. We also have the M to N segment sewing tool, which is similar to your free sewing tool. So if I just delete this section here, we can use the M to N sewing tool. And what that is going to allow us to do is sew 2 segments or more together. And then we press enter, and then we just make sure we've done the same to the other side. And then as you can see, both sides have been sewn correctly, which is very similar to the free sewing tool.